how to allow or don't allow SmartThings to get your location from this phone on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder, then tap on SmartThings. After that, tap on the menu button, and then go to the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, we go down, then tap on get your location from this phone. Here, turn on the location that you want to grant permission for SmartThings. And that's it. So once you turn it on, you can see here it said, use this phone to determine your location for routines and to show other members whether you're at home. So when we turn this on, the routines will be able to access your location and share that location to other family members. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.